Welcome. This video will guide you through the Felix Goodson Library website, specifically the online resources for the WBU Departments of English, Languages, and Communication Arts. Any internet-connected device may be used to locate the library landing page. Login credentials are required for off-campus users. To find a journal article, newspaper, or database, click the red bar. Then select the English tab. While any of the 72 library databases are beneficial, these subject databases are most closely related to the English program. Mango Language is our learning software for over 70 different languages, including English, Greek, Hebrew, Brazilian Portuguese, Shakespearean English, Spanish, and more. English Language Learner also provides helps for English as a second language, as well as lifestyle and education helps. ProQuest Research Companion provides learning modules for academic research and writing. It includes lessons to avoid copyright and plagiarism issues. Create your own account to complete the self-check and review questions. To discover both sides of the story or debate, look to the SIRS Issues Researcher and Points of View databases to research current issues. Begin your literature writing assignment by learning about the authors and their notable works in Writer's Reference and Bloom's Literature. Harold Bloom is a renowned editor of literary criticism. Then look to Salem Press for criticisms by themes such as dystopia or Southern Gothic literature. Now, continue on with your research utilizing any of the databases recommended here. The database tutorials are your friend and will provide many tips for searching and saving. For all databases, search by typing keywords or terms and avoiding lengthy phrases. Narrow your research topic by limiting the results. The limiters are usually found on the left side of the page. Be sure to check the boxes for peer review or academic journals, and of course you want full text. All databases include a Tools feature for saving, printing, and citing resources in MLA, APA, and Chicago Turabian writing styles. We have located journal articles in databases. Now, let's search for print or ebooks. Print books can be located in the library stacks according to the Dewey Call number. Library staff are readily available to help you find the books on the shelves. Books deemed important by instructor are reserved at the circulation desk. Ebooks are signified by the red bar that links to the fully readable ebook. For more user-friendly tips, be sure to view our related video about library books and ebooks. Back on the landing page, note additional tutorials and other library services located here. No doubt you will be required to cite your resources, so click here for MLA and other citation guides. Located in the Test Prep tab are practice tests for the English Proficiency Exam, college and grad school exams, and practice tests for the ACT and Praxis. Remember, library staff are always ready and eager to assist you in person, by phone, or email.